from Tosh Tires. I've got a Peugeot here. I'm just going to change from kilometers into miles. I'm going to show you how it's done. It's quite a simple procedure. So if you've got something like this sort of display in your any Peugeot, that is on a 2008 plate. So if you've got something like this of a display and your mileage is in kilometers and you're in England and you want to change it to miles, it's quite simple. So if you look right there, these are the function buttons I'm going to be sort of using. So if I press the menu, I've got the unit already there. So if I press OK, you've got the console unit. It's in kilometers at the moment. Now to do it, I press right. I press right again into miles, press OK, which is that one there, and as you can see now, from 52 it's gone down to 32. That's all you got to do. Once again, press the menu button, and if you're on somewhere like display adjust, don't do that. Press down, onto units, press OK, onto console. But if you go down, it's the temperature unit as well. You can change it from Celsius. But console unit, you got to press right, which is the forward button. Press right, right again, and then set it to miles. Press OK, and that's it. It's good. Now you want to set it to kilometers. Press OK, press right, kilometers. Now it's on to kilometers. That's all you got to do on this particular model. This is a Peugeot Expert van, but on the Peugeot, any Peugeot 206, 307, whichever Peugeots they are, they've got this radio, and you got to do it through menu, onto units. I'm just going to change it back to miles. Yeah, onto units, and that's it. Yeah. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you. Goodbye.